Hello everyone, I'm going to make this small demo slash explanatory video of how will you be giving your examination tomorrow. Now this is the first of its kind examination, online examination that you will be appearing, and I'll be just explaining you how and what is the process that is going to take place for tomorrow's exam. Now before I begin, the date and the schedule of the examination have already been shared with you in the various class WhatsApp groups. For those people who were added into the WhatsApp group after the material was shared, you cannot access it anymore. You cannot access it. So you can very simply go to the school app. All the notifications, all the information regarding school is also available on the school app. You can go to the school app and find out the date and time of the examination. Now, tomorrow, 15 minutes before the scheduled start of the examination, please pay attention. Whatever is the time for your examination, 15 minutes before that, your class teacher is going to share an examination room code into the various class WhatsApp groups. All right. If you are not added to the WhatsApp group, even then the examination room code is going to be available into the school app also. So do not panic if you're not part of the class WhatsApp group. So codes are going to be available both in the WhatsApp groups and the school app. I'm going to be showing you how to use the code and how to go about it. So just pay attention. I'm going to go to the WhatsApp way, and I'll be opening my WhatsApp, and when the message pops up, if you pay attention here, right at the bottom of my screen, I have got a dummy examination room code. Your teacher is going to be sharing a similar code for you, which is going to be the examination room code. I have got a dummy code for myself, and what you need to do is just copy the code. Okay, the code is alphabets and digits, the same thing that you use while you are entering the classroom. You need to copy the code. For those people who are technically smart, they can just copy the code from here from the screen only, and those who cannot do that, they can simply note it down on a piece of paper. And after you have copied the code, what we need to do is entering the Google Classroom, and your classroom is going to be here. Whichever class you are appearing is going to be here, but please pay attention. On top of the screen, there is going to be a plus button here. If you pay attention, this is going to be a plus button here. If you click the plus button is going to give you another option. It's going to give you the option of join a class. You are going to be, now please pay attention, the first option here is join a class. What happens is you click join class, and the screen is going to show you a message like this, which says ask your teacher for the class code. All right, now this is going to be the same code that you copied from the WhatsApp message or from the school app. You have to enter that message. Now I have just copied it, so I'm going to paste it here, right, the code exactly here. And after having done that, you see the top right corner, the join button is here. So I'm going to click join, and I'm going to be entering a new classroom. Okay, just give me a moment. Now please pay attention. There is a new classroom here. It is going to be here. It says, as you can see here, it says dummy examination room. Tomorrow is going to be something different, examination room 1 or 2, depending upon which room you are in. Now the moment the exam begins, the very exact moment the exam begins, there is going to be a material available on your screen like this. All right, like the attendance material that you have been filling up in the classroom so far. Similarly, there's going to be another material opening up. If it does not open, very simply just refresh your window, drag your screen down, and let the arrow go round and round and round. If you cannot do that, there's another option. Just click the refresh button inside these 3 dots. You see these 3 dots in the corner? If we click that, sorry, not this, if we click that, the refresh button is going to open up. All right, and I'm going to refresh it, and you see this material that is already here. All right, what we are going to do is open up this material. All right, and there's going to be a message. Now, very important, please read the message very carefully. Not this is from a different post, but tomorrow whatever message you get, please read it very carefully. And tomorrow there's going to be another file, not the attendance file. It is going to be a different file here. So what you need to do is just simply click this and it will take you to a Google form. It will take you to a separate Google form, which is going to open up. Here it is a separate Google form which is already closed for receiving attendance, and that is which you need to, the Google form that opens up on your screen. Fill up the details and attempt your examination. Okay, 2 messages. First, read all the instructions very carefully. Number 2, do not panic. Take it calm, take it simple. Okay, everything's going to be fine. With that, here's Alok sir wishing you all the best for the examinations tomorrow, and take care. Have a good day.